Hi everyone, it's Yanni back again with another meditation and card reading today. So thanks again for joining me. We're going to start off with some sage again. So I'm going to go ahead and light it up for you. And again, this is going to help clear your energies, help us to be completely open to the messages that we're about to receive, and to remind us of our divinity. We are worthy of receiving these messages. We are all sacred beings. So just receive and release whatever heaviness that you no longer need, allowing it to be lifted up and out of your bodies, allowing the angels to come in and release it for you, back up to heaven, back to love and light. I'm going to do the same over here. Breathing in that beautiful healing energy, healing medicine. Okay, great. All right, so take a nice big sigh of relief as you close your eyes and settle in. And just take time to go within your heart now, within your heart space. And just focus on getting out of your mind, going into your heart, where only love is, where only peace is. Find that place within yourself. It is there. Allow yourself to be there and to stay there. Know that that is your true home. Truly align with it fully. You are home. And now we're going to be guided by our loving angels, by our loving archangels. We're going to call upon them, these powerful beings of light, these powerful beings of love. They are with us, and they want to help us. They are grateful for us trusting in them and looking to them for guidance and support. Let us feel that appreciation now, and that gratitude as we open up for all more messages from them. And imagine light all around you now. As the archangels gather around us, see their light and feel their loving light. As we get ready to receive the messages that they have for us for this day. And the first message is from Archangel Michael. Powerful blue energy of Archangel Michael. And sense that energy and feel that energy, the energy of truth, honesty. And Archangel Michael assures you now, with his powerful energy that he's transmitting to you now, that he's channeling to you now, feel that energy coming through from him, through me to you. You are a powerful creator. You are a powerful being of light. You have what it takes to succeed. You have everything you need within you. Feel that truth. Know it to be true. Feel that truth of it. You are everything you need. You have everything you need within you. You have the gifts, you have the blessings, you have the insight, you have the skills, you have the talents, you have the energy, you have the desire, you have the willpower. It's all within you now. You can have anything and be anything and achieve anything. You can, and you are, and you will continue to be. Continue to assure yourself, affirm to yourself, I am that I am. I am a powerful being. I am everything that I need. I have everything that I need. I have all the answers within me. I accept myself. I trust myself. I trust my guides. I trust my angels. I trust them to work with me, to help me. They assure me of my success. I can and I will. Nod in approval as you receive that message of truth. And breathe that sigh of relief. And now imagine another powerful archangel, this one Archangel Azrael. Feel that energy of peace washing over you now. A deep peace, white energy of peace. Archangel Azrael asks you to please release the past, release the hurt, release the pain, release the trauma. It's not yours to hold anymore. You can release those heavy thoughts and those heavy emotions. It is safe to do so. Archangel Azrael is here to help you. Know that all those heavy energies are being replaced now with peace. The energy of peace, the energy of love. Only take the lessons, the spiritual lessons. Recognize how much more powerful you are now. Recognize that you can overcome anything, that you are eternal, that you are limitless, that you are indestructible. Those are the truths. That is what you carry forward with you. And trust and know and believe with all your heart, with all your faith, with all your wisdom, with all your knowing, with everything that you are. The best is yet to come. Even greater gifts, greater dreams to come. They are on the way. They're coming to you now. The past has prepared you for the present and for a prosperous and bright future. Trust, let go, and let God. And breathe that truth of that message through inside of you. And open up to this final message from Archangel Michael now. His powerful blue energy comes to you. And he brings you more new ideas. He gives you courage, determination, persistence, resourcefulness, the ability to communicate clearly. He gives you all these energies. He reminds you all those energies are within you now. He reiterates you have everything you need within you. You can accomplish anything. Know it to be true. Open up your hands and your arms like you're opening up your wings, and know that you are meant to fly, that you can and you are and you will. Let us now give thanks to these powerful archangels for these powerful messages. As Archangel Michael reminds you one last time, you have everything you need to succeed. And Archangel Azrael reminds you to release the hurt and allow in the peace, to know the future is yours. And finally, Archangel Michael comes back to you and reiterates one last time. You got everything you need within you. Trust yourself in those messages and ideas you have. Take all that in as you slowly come back to this time.